Welcome to Hannah Wilson's Talk Show. Here we have a contestant named Ina Franca.
Whoa! What am I doing here? Where am I?
You're at Hannah Wilson's Talk Show.
Talk show? I'm supposed to be at my husband's wedding. God, I gotta go. My husband's wedding. Ah!
Are you alive?
I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. You sure zipped? You sure unzipped?
It is? Awesome.
I know, dude. Awesome.
So, what does that exactly mean?
I'm doing. And that's the end of the show.
Okay. I think we have to end the show now. Or do you not want to be famous?
What? I want to be famous.
Okay, then let's get back in your seat.
Where's my seat? Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions.
Oh, ask away, Doc.
Okay.
I'm a here.
What is your favorite type of mustard?
Mustard. You know what I say about mustard?
What's your favorite kind of hot dog?
You know what I say about mustard?
Ow!
I hate all kinds of mustard. Got it? You better get it.
Alright.
I got a song for you. Ready, set, go. I like big, but I cannot lie. No other is not. We go back and blue with chicken in your face. You got boom.
Yeah, so what?
Dude, you don't get a single thing, do ya? I said I like big, but not like no others can deny. We go back and blue with chicken in your face. You got boom.
I need help with the game.